CMR stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Nuscale Power stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I am the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people tend to over exaggerate stuff. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel, and my genuine 2 cents on SMR is I'm looking to just double down and buy, right? It's not going to be randomly buying whatsoever, but I'm here to tell you this is a very solid bullish market. And it's just that how can I position myself in the best way possible to buy more? Meaning that only if I see the price pulling down here and giving me a shift, then I'm looking to buy. Other than that, it's pure noise. So that's SMR. Look, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And do I have previous results here? Yes, I do. 5 results. So if you want to stay tuned and get free picks, stock picks, emails, and insights, and free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.